Dear aspirants, a very frequently asked questions regarding the tattoo on body parts. First and foremost thing, I would like to tell all the aspirants, if you are a defense aspirant, kindly don't get any tattoo made on any part of the body. That is my golden advice. Still, the only permissible parts where they can make tattoos is inner face of forearm, from elbow to wrist on both hands, and reverse side of palm. Then other than this, there are non-permissible tattoo irrespective of which body part they have got it made. That is, firstly, any tattoo on any other part of the body will lead to the rejection. Any tattoo which is having an offensive or indecent figures is not acceptable. Something like the tattoos which are sexist or racist are not acceptable. Indecent tattoos that are grossly offensive to modesty, decency, and propriety, not acceptable. Sexist tattoos are those that advocate philosophy that demeans a person based on gender. Racist tattoos advocate a philosophy that degrades or demeans a person based on race, ethnicity, or region and religion. There may be a chance the candidates from the tribal communities, they might have got done the tattoos unknowingly when they were at a very young age. Candidates belonging to tribal communities or tribal areas as declared by Government of India Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe orders and the list which are amended and modified from time to time are permitted to have permanent body tattoo on any part of the body as per existing customs and tradition of said tribe to which a candidate belongs. Such candidate will only be permitted to continue with selection process in SSB on condition that following certificates are submitted by candidates from the tribal area prior to commencement of stage 1 of selection process. For that, you are required to bring 2 certificates. One is self-certificate certificate as per the given appendix, and then another appendix which gives them certificate signed by DM, DC or SDM or any chairman or secretary of that particular community or DC or DM from that particular district. They have to come with that certificate. And gentlemen, why to get into trouble? Don't get any tattoo made on any part, so that neither you have got any queries nor you have got any reason of rejection. Thank you.